This is Leetcode problem 2560, House Robber 4. It's a medium difficulty problem. We're given a street of houses, each with a certain amount of money. A robber wants to steal as much money as possible, but they can't rob adjacent houses. We're also given a minimum number of houses, K, the robber must steal from. Our goal is to find the minimum capability of the robber, where capability is the maximum amount stolen from a single house among all the houses robbed. Essentially, we need to find the lowest maximum amount the robber can get away with while still robbing at least K houses. Here's the Python solution using binary search. We initialize left to 1, the minimum possible capability, and right to the maximum value in the nums array, the maximum possible capability. The core idea is to use binary search to find the minimum capability. In each iteration of the binary search, we calculate the mid value, which represents a potential capability. Then we iterate through the nums array and count how many houses can be robbed if the current capability is mid. If the current house's value, nums at position I, is less than or equal to mid, we increment the count and move the index I forward by 2, since we cannot rob adjacent houses. Otherwise, we increment I by 1. If the count, number of houses robbed, is greater than or equal to K, it means we can rob at least K houses with the current capability. So we try to minimize the capability further by setting right to mid minus 1. Otherwise, if count is less than K, it means we need a higher capability to rob at least K houses, so we set left to mid plus 1. Finally, when the binary search completes, left will hold the minimum capability. The time complexity is big O of n log m, where n is the number of houses, and m is the range of values in the nums array. This is because the binary search takes log m iterations, and in each iteration we go through the nums array, which takes big O of n time. The space complexity is big O of 1, or constant space, because we're only using a constant number of extra variables, regardless of the input size. That's it for House Robber 4. Let me know in the comments if there are other Leetcode problems you'd like to see in this series. Please like and subscribe, and if you'd like to help me continue making these videos, you can donate at buymeaboba.com, link in the description. Thanks for watching.